What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to let your e-commerce users to create accounts on your store into a safe place. Okay, so person's gonna fulfill the email and receive a link to set up the password on email, so the email must exist. Okay, and it is. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After, go to your WordPress dashboard. How to access WordPress dashboard? This page right here. On your browser address bar, enter your domain name plus wp-admin. Enter with your login credentials, user and password, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over settings. And hit the submenu general. All WordPress installations must have this, okay? Scroll down until you see this option right here, membership. You must mark this option. Anyone can register. You need to let people to register on your site before people can create accounts, right? So scroll down, hit the save change button. Changes are saved, you are good to go. Then go to your WooCommerce and hover mouse over WooCommerce left sidebar of menus. Hit the submenu settings. Once on settings, go to account and privacy. This tab right here. And you're gonna be able to see this option right here, account creation option. Send password setup link, recommended, okay? New users receive an email to set up the password. You must mark this option. As soon as you mark this option, you are good to go and you can let people to create accounts on your site. But before you be able to click on it, you must select this option right here and this option right here, okay? Then all you have to do is hit the save change button and you are good to go. Simple, easy and effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. And don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes.